In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pipeline performance in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to read the numbers that matter for your sales pipeline. First, head to Insights on the left bar. This is Pipedrive's Analytics Hub, where all of your reporting lives. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the right place, look for a workspace that shows reports, filters, and charts. That's Insights. It's designed to help you answer questions like which stages are slowing you down, how efficiently deals are moving, and where conversions are strongest. Next, click Create at the top left and select Report. This opens a fresh canvas for building the specific view you need. Think of a report as a targeted lens. You control what data appears and how it's summarized, so you only see what's relevant to measuring pipeline performance. Now, select Deal as the entity, and choose either conversion or performance as the report type. Deals are the backbone of your pipeline, so this ensures you're analyzing the right records. If your focus is on how effectively deals move from stage to stage, pick conversion. This type highlights drop-offs and win rates, making it easy to spot bottlenecks. If you want a broader view of activity and outcomes, choose performance. That option helps you track things like deal volume, value, and progress over time. With your report type in place, add your filters, choose your graphs measure, and then click Save at the top right. Filters keep your analysis focused. Helpful filters include a date range, a specific pipeline if you use more than one, deal owner to view individual or team results, and current stage or one status, depending on what you want to evaluate. Keep the time frame consistent with your goals. For example, current quarter for pacing, or last quarter for review. When you select your graphs measure, match it to your question. For volume, use the count of deals. For revenue impact, use deal value or one value. If you chose conversion, the conversion rate between stages will be front and center. If you chose performance, measures like average time in stage or total value by stage can reveal where momentum is building or stalling. Finally, click Save at the top right to keep your setup. Your report will be available in Insights anytime you want to revisit or refine it. That's all. You've just built a clear, focused view of pipeline performance in Pipedrive, ready to guide your next sales decisions.